Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can boost up the MacBook Air and Pro performance. So let's start without wasting our time. So step number one is to monitor the high utilization app on your Windows. So you can press command plus space key to launch the search, and you need to type for monitor. So once you search here the monitor, activity monitor should be coming up here, and these are the monitors. You can see the utilization here. Now once you open the activity monitor, you need to go to view, and inside here you need to select the Windows processes. Once you have selected that, you see the lot of details, memory threads, all the details, CPU which are taking more utilization here. Physical memory is this, memory used. If it is going up, you need to quit the application whichever is taking more memory and RAM. So once you see the app here, you need to double click on it, and simply you can quit it here. Force quit. And now this app should be quit. So once you have quit all the application, you can see here memory used, and check if you are able to find out the root cause for that. So this is the first way to check your utilization. Then after that you need to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the system setting, and on the search you need to type in login items, and these are the login item. When you boot up your Mac, these application will automatically run. So you need to cut these and also allow in the background. So make sure you turn off these as well. Use the password here, and once you do this setting, your MacBook will relaunch the fresh startup, and there will be no app launching automatically and running in the background. So by this way, this will boost your system performance, and after that just close this. So now third number setting, we need to again open the system settings, and we need to go to general, and you need to check the storage and make sure your MacBook Air or Pro SSD is not full with the storage, and make sure it is free up. You can check each apps which application is running more, and you can delete them if you want. You can see here these are the bin, so you can also input the bin here like this. 2 GB I have cleaned up. Now this is the macOS system data, so we can do documents. You can also check whichever is taking more. You need to filter here and click on it, and you should able to see from larger to lower, and you can delete them. Let's say I don't want to keep this, also don't want to keep this as well. So as you can see here, by this way you should able to free up the space from your Mac. Another way is to you need to open the Finder. Okay, and once you open the Finder, let's minimize it. Go, click on Go, and go to folder, and inside here you need to just copy and paste this like this. So once you click on Go, you need to press Shift and left side symbol on the one, then this backslash library, this is the forward slash, Now cache, this is the location. Press the return key, and once you press the return key you should able to see all the cache here. You just need to select all of them with the command plus A button and command plus delete button. Now you can see we have cleaned all the cache, and by this way you should able to free up a lot of space from your Mac, and you should able to boost up your system performance and Mac performance or your MacBook Air or Pro. So these are the solutions to fix the lagging issue on the Mac. So I hope guys this video is really helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.